students, a very big and warm welcome to all of you. I hope you all are doing great. So children, before starting the session, let me introduce myself to you. This is Pooja Rawat and today I am going to teach you an interesting subject which is computer. So tell me children, what do you mean by computer? What is computer and how computer work? Why computer is so important for us? So we are going to find out about this in our very first chapter. So let's start the chapter. Handling a mouse. In our previous classes, we have learned about the different parts of a computer. Now we are going to learn about those parts in detail. So first we are going to discuss about a mouse. So our tech goals of this chapter are stepwise learning approach, a mouse pointer, holding a mouse, actions of mouse. So in this chapter we will learn how mouse work, how to hold a mouse and about actions of mouse. So let's boot up. Trace the correct path through the maze to take the pointer to the start button. So what you have to do, you have to draw a path to the pointer to start button. So you have to make a path and you will take the pointer to the start button. As you are aware, one of the computer's primary components is the mouse. It is used for selecting and pointing at objects on the monitor. It can also be used to color and sketch images. A mouse is small in size. It features a scroll wheel and two buttons. There is a wire attached to the CPU. So this is the whole picture of a mouse. As you can see, a wire is connected from the mouse to the CPU, and so as you see, a wire is connected to the mouse to the CPU, and this is right button which you click to select the pictures or icons. Next is the left button which you use to select or open the icons. This is mouse pad which is very important for the mouse to work on. And in the middle you can see a scroll wheel is given which you use to do the page up and down. Now tech talk. These days wireless mouse are available in the market. Now mostly people don't use a mouse with a wire, mostly use wireless mouse. Mouse pointer. A tiny arrow will move on the monitor in response to mouse movements. We refer to this arrow as the mouse pointer. So as you can see, this is the mouse pointer. It is a small arrow which we use to select items and we use it to open them. Now let's know about holding a mouse. How to hold a mouse. It is very important for us to know about how to hold a mouse gently. Let's learn the proper technique to hold a mouse. So you have to keep your middle finger here. You have to keep your index finger on the left button of the mouse. This is your right button and this is your left button. So steps are given here. Place your index finger on the left mouse button. Place your middle finger on the right mouse button. Place your thumb on the side of the mouse. Use your fingers to press the buttons. So this is the technique to hold a mouse so that you can use a mouse on a mouse pad. Now actions of mouse. So there is a scroll wheel in the center of a mouse along with two buttons on the left and right. Let's see how to use these buttons. So only three buttons are given on the mouse, left button, right button, and you can see a scroll wheel is given in the middle. First, click. Click means pressing a mouse left button to select or choose something on your computer. So whenever you press the left or right button, you hear a sound of click. So this click means pressing the mouse left button to select or choose something on your computer. Double click. Double clicking the left mouse button opens a file or folder. This opens an object and sounds 2 clicks. So whenever you press the button 2 times on the mouse, it do the sound of clicking twice. So this is called double clicking, and we use or we press the mouse double twice because we want to open an object on the computer. Right click. To right click, simply press the mouse button on the right one. This mouse click enables a list of commands to appear on the screen. Now, do you know what is the use of right click? So, we simply move the mouse over the icon and we simply right click to see the list or to see the list of command to appear on the screen. Using scroll wheel. Scrolling is the action of moving the scroll wheel up or down with index finger. So, we use our index finger to scroll the wheel so that we can go page up and page down. Now, tech talk. The function of a laptop's touchpad is similar with that of a computer's mouse. So, have you seen a laptop? There is no mouse connected to the laptop because there is a touchpad which is similar to a computer mouse. Memory reload. A mouse has a scroll wheel and 2 buttons. Clicking requires a single press of the left mouse button. Double clicking involves pressing the left mouse button twice. Right click enables a list of commands. Scrolling is moving the scroll wheel up or down. So, in this chapter basically we learn about the uses of mouse and we see how to hold a mouse. Now, check your learning. Take the correct options. We use the computer's mouse to what? To select things. So, correct answer is option A. Second, a mouse has dash buttons and a scroll wheel. So, a mouse has 2 buttons. Third, dash means pressing the right mouse button once. So, right click. Fourth, the dash on a laptop does the same job as the mouse off. So, a laptop, what? A laptop's touchpad does the same job as the mouse. Now, next activity is fill in the blanks with the help of given words. So, first is a mouse is kept on a mouse pad. A mouse is used to move the mouse pointer. Third, place a dash finger on the right button of the mouse. So, place a dash. Place what? Place your middle finger on the right button of the mouse. Fourth, dash opens an item. So, double clicking open an item. Now, next activity is write T for true and F for false statement. Between the left and right button is a scroll wheel. Yes, it is true. When you move the mouse pointer moves as well. Yes, it is true. A single left button click as referred to as double click. No, it is false. You can open any item by double clicking the right button. No, it is false. Right click is to open the list of command. Now answer the following questions. What all can we do on a computer by using mouse? So we can play game, we can draw pictures with the help of mouse, or you can point and select the items, objects on the computer. When you click and double click with a mouse, which button do you press? So we click left and right button. So basically for click and double click we use left button. An activity is given here. See the given picture and write the names of different parts of the mouse. As you can see the picture of a mouse. So what you have to do? You have to label the different parts of a mouse. So first it is wire which is connected to CPU. Next it is a right clicker, or you can say right button. It is a left button and it is a mouse pad, and this one is in the middle, it is a scroll wheel. So you will label the diagram and finish the activity. So children, I hope you understood whatever we have done in this session. Now you will revise the chapter, and yes, do not forget to practice the exercise.